Hi Ron, I saw your video tonight on organizing your clamps and you're thinking how you're going to do it. So I thought I'd shoot a short video and show you how I handle this in my shop here in Dallas. I built a clamp rack. It's on 5-inch casters. I like to be able to move it around to be close to my work so I don't have to go chase the clamps. I use them, and when I'm done with them, boom, the rack is right there for me to put them back. And on this side I have all the pistol clamps. The pistol clamps work really well for me. So I have the 24 and 12-inch clamps here in the front. Of course I have all my small clamps up here, my Festool cam clamps and spring clamps. And then I've got a drawer here that I use for all my F clamps and also other assorted things that I use for clamping. And on the back are the bigger pistol clamps, 51-inch pistol clamps, and also my pipe clamps from when I first started my business. This works really well for me. I don't know, you could roll it up into your Smart Shop. So anyway, this is how I handle it, and I thought you might like to see it.